Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Vanguard account. Firstly, decide which account fits your financial goals. Vanguard offers IRAs, which is individual retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, or whatever type you want on their website. Now, link your bank account to fund your new Vanguard account. You can do one-time transfer, set up automatic contributions, or roll over funds from another retirement plan. Now provide basic information like name, address, social security number, employment info, etc. Choose your investment preferences and browse available investments like Vanguard mutual funds, ETFs, stocks, and bonds. Once your account is funded and ready, search for the investment you want and enter the amount of number of shares, then review and confirm the trades. Just a note, Vanguard ensures data protection, two-step verification, and encryption to keep your info safe. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.